Imagine waking up one morning and your legs just won't move. You try to sit up, but your body feels heavy, powerless. Suddenly, even standing on your own feels impossible. For millions of older adults, this isn't a rare nightmare. It's a daily reality caused by a silent epidemic that's quietly stealing their independence. In just the few minutes it'll take you to watch this video, nearly 40 seniors will be hospitalized from something that's not only common, but often completely preventable. Nursing homes are overflowing. Families are scrambling for answers. And the scariest part? Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. But here's the good news. A recent Harvard Medical School study revealed that certain everyday foods, some you may already have at home, contain powerful compounds that can reactivate muscle regeneration, even in people in their 70s or 80s. In fact, 5 out of the 8 foods you'll discover today outperformed prescription medications in clinical trials. And one particular food helped stop muscle loss in 9 out of 10 people in just 6 weeks. So before we dive in, hit like and subscribe to Health Vibes, because what you're about to learn could truly change the way you age. Now, let's explore the 8 science-backed foods that protect and rebuild your muscle mass after age 60. Number 7 will surprise you, and it might not even be in your kitchen. One of the foods in this video has shown the strongest results in reversing muscle loss, especially after 60. Want to know which one it is? Like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Health channel, and keep watching. You won't believe what it is. It could change everything. Let's start. Number 1. Greek yogurt, a nighttime ally for aging muscles. One of the simplest yet most powerful additions to a muscle-supportive diet after age 60 is Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess liquid, which concentrates its nutrients, particularly protein. A single 6-ounce serving provides roughly 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, making it an excellent choice for older adults who are trying to maintain or rebuild muscle mass. What makes Greek yogurt especially effective is its high content of casein, a slow-digesting protein that delivers a steady stream of amino acids to the muscles over several hours. For this reason, consuming Greek yogurt in the evening, about an hour before bed, can help protect muscle tissue during the overnight fast when the body is more prone to muscle breakdown. In addition to protein, Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, all essential for healthy muscle function and bone strength. It also contains probiotics, which support gut health and improve nutrient absorption, both of which are increasingly important with age. To get the most benefit, it's best to choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt with no added sugar. You can naturally enhance its flavor and nutritional value by adding fresh berries, a few chopped walnuts or almonds, or a small drizzle of raw honey. Studies have shown that older adults who regularly consume dairy-based protein, including Greek yogurt, experienced noticeable improvements in muscle strength, balance, and mobility, even without structured exercise. When included in a consistent diet, Greek yogurt becomes more than just a snack. It's a tool for staying strong and independent. Number 2. Whey protein, fast-acting support for aging muscles. Whey protein is widely recognized as one of the most effective tools for combating age-related muscle loss, and for good reason. Derived from milk, whey is a complete protein that contains all essential amino acids, including leucine, which plays a direct role in triggering muscle protein synthesis. This is especially important for older adults, whose muscles become less responsive to protein signals over time. What sets whey apart is its rapid digestion and absorption. Within just 30 minutes of consumption, it begins delivering amino acids to the bloodstream, helping to counteract the natural decline in muscle-building efficiency that comes with age, a condition known as anabolic resistance. Clinical research, including studies from McMaster University, has shown that seniors who consumed whey protein maintain muscle mass up to 40% more effectively than those relying on protein from regular food sources alone. Even more impressive, benefits in strength, balance, and mobility were observed even without exercise, though the effects were significantly greater when paired with light resistance training. In addition to protein, whey contains bioactive peptides that improve blood flow, support insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation, all of which contribute to muscle preservation. It also provides cysteine, which helps produce antioxidants that protect aging muscle cells from damage. For best results, older adults should aim to consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per day, ideally within 30 minutes after any physical activity or as a morning supplement. Choose minimally processed whey isolate or concentrate without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Those sensitive to dairy may benefit from hydrolyzed whey, which is easier to digest. Mix it with water or milk, or blend it into a smoothie with berries and nut butter for a convenient, muscle-nourishing meal. Lean beef. Muscle-building power in every bite. Lean beef remains one of the most nutrient-dense protein sources available, especially for older adults aiming to preserve or regain muscle mass. A 4-ounce serving, roughly 113 grams, delivers about 25 grams of high-quality, complete protein, rich in amino acids that closely match the body's own muscle composition. What makes beef particularly valuable is its high leucine content, a critical amino acid for stimulating muscle growth. As we age, the body becomes less efficient at using protein to build and repair muscle, and higher leucine intake becomes essential. Lean beef also provides creatine, a natural compound that helps muscles store energy, increases strength, and improves performance, benefits that are especially important for aging bodies. Beyond muscle building, beef is packed with iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which support energy metabolism and help transport oxygen to the muscles. These nutrients become harder to absorb and maintain with age, making food-based sources even more important. Research has shown that older adults who consumed lean red meat as part of their diet, especially when combined with resistance training, experienced greater gains in strength than those relying on plant-based proteins alone. For best results, choose lean cuts such as sirloin, tenderloin, or round, and limit intake to 2 to 3 servings per week. Grass-fed options may provide added benefits, including higher levels of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Fatty fish. What if something as simple as eating fish twice a week could actually protect your muscles from shrinking with age? It might sound surprising, but the science is clear. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, provide a rare combination of nutrients that make them uniquely powerful for muscle preservation. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, one of the hidden drivers of muscle breakdown in aging adults. In fact, studies have found that omega-3s can increase muscle sensitivity to protein, making the food you eat more effective at promoting growth and repair, even if your body has become less responsive with age. A single 4-ounce serving of salmon provides around 20 grams of complete protein, along with vitamin D, which supports muscle function, balance, and strength, especially important in seniors who are often deficient. Over a 3-year period, adults who regularly consumed fatty fish experienced significantly less muscle loss than those who didn't. For best results, aim for 2 servings per week, and choose wild-caught fish when possible. If cooking fish is difficult, a high-quality fish oil supplement may also help, though whole foods are always best. 5. Eggs. Could one of the most affordable and familiar foods in your kitchen actually hold the key to reversing age-related muscle decline? You might be surprised to learn that eggs, especially whole eggs, are among the most complete, muscle-friendly foods available to older adults. While many people still focus only on the whites for their high protein content, recent research shows that the yolk is just as important, offering key nutrients that directly support muscle maintenance and growth. A single large egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, including a rich amount of leucine, the amino acid that acts as a direct trigger for muscle protein synthesis, which becomes harder to activate as we age. What's especially valuable is that whole eggs, not just egg whites, have been shown to create a 40% greater muscle-building response after exercise, according to a study from the University of Illinois. The yolk contains essential nutrients like choline, vitamin D, healthy fats, and additional amino acids that work synergistically to support muscle recovery and hormonal balance. And contrary to outdated myths, recent studies have shown that moderate egg consumption, up to 7 per week, does not increase heart disease risk for most people and may even help improve cholesterol profiles in older adults. For maximum benefit, consider consuming 1 to 2 whole eggs per day, preferably at breakfast, a time when protein intake is typically low, yet muscle breakdown risk is high after an overnight fast. Hard-boiled eggs are also a convenient, no-prep option, especially helpful for seniors who have limited energy or cooking ability. But here's the real question. If something as simple as an egg can help rebuild lost strength, why are so many people still tossing the yolk? Number 6. Nuts and seeds. What if a small handful of the right snack could help protect your muscles from shrinking and even support your hormone levels as you age? That's exactly what nuts and seeds offer. These compact, nutrient-rich foods provide a powerful combination of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients that play a direct role in muscle preservation. While they may not offer as much protein per gram as animal sources, their unique nutritional profile makes them a valuable addition to any senior's muscle protective diet. For example, almonds are rich in protein and magnesium, a mineral often deficient in older adults, yet essential for muscle contraction, energy production, and preventing cramping. Just a quarter cup of almonds contains about 6 grams of protein and a significant dose of magnesium. Walnuts, on the other hand, provide alpha-linolenic acid, YLA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce chronic inflammation, a known contributor to muscle breakdown. Pumpkin seeds are another standout, offering a strong source of zinc, which supports testosterone production, a hormone that declines with age but remains vital for maintaining lean muscle mass and strength. Many nuts and seeds also provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from oxidative stress and age-related damage. To make the most of these benefits, aim to consume 1 to 2 ounces, 28 to 56 grams, of mixed, unsalted nuts or seeds daily. Divide them into small snack portions, sprinkle them on Greek yogurt or oatmeal, or mix them into smoothies. Just be mindful of portion sizes. While nutritious, they are calorie-dense. And here's something worth thinking about. If just a handful a day can help your muscles stay stronger and your body age better, why not start today? Number 7. Berries. Could the secret to protecting aging muscles lie in something as sweet and colorful as a bowl of berries? While they might not look like muscle-building powerhouses at first glance, berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, offer something critically important for older adults: protection against oxidative stress. As we age, our muscles become more vulnerable to damage from free radicals, which can weaken muscle fibers, slow down recovery, and accelerate overall muscle loss. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly compounds called anthocyanins and polyphenol, which help defend the muscle cells, and especially the mitochondria, the cell's energy center, from this kind of ongoing damage. Research from Tufts University found that older adults who regularly consumed blueberries showed noticeable improvements in physical performance and muscle recovery. Beyond antioxidants, berries also influence cytokines, the chemical messengers that regulate inflammation in the body. While some inflammation is a normal part of muscle repair, chronic, low-grade inflammation, common in aging bodies, can break down muscle tissue more rapidly, and berries help keep that process in check. Their natural sweetness also makes them a far healthier alternative to processed sugar, which contributes to inflammation and insulin resistance. For best results, aim to include a serving of fresh or frozen berries daily, whether on top of Greek yogurt, blended into smoothies, or simply as a snack. Dried berries can also be used occasionally, but choose unsweetened versions to avoid excess sugar. Number 8. Olive oil. What if the oil you drizzle on your salad could actually protect your muscles from breaking down with age? It may sound unlikely, but extra virgin olive oil is one of the most underestimated tools for muscle preservation in older adults. Not because it's high in protein, it's not, but because of its powerful anti-inflammatory and hormone-supporting properties. One of its key compounds, oleocanthal, works similarly to ibuprofen by helping to reduce chronic, low-grade inflammation, a hidden factor that contributes heavily to muscle breakdown over time. As inflammation decreases, muscle tissues are better able to retain their strength, repair themselves, and respond to the protein you consume. Olive oil also improves insulin sensitivity, which is vital for muscle health because insulin helps shuttle nutrients into muscle cells where they're needed most. Insulin resistance, a common issue in older adults, interferes with this process, reducing the effectiveness of even a healthy diet. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats found in olive oil support the production of key hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, both of which naturally decline with age but are essential for maintaining lean body mass, energy, and physical resilience. For maximum benefit, incorporate 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into your daily routine. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle it over steamed vegetables or grilled fish, or stir it into soups before serving. Just be sure to store it properly, in a dark bottle, away from heat, to preserve its powerful bioactive compounds. And whenever possible, check the harvest date on the bottle to ensure freshness. So here's the final question. If one simple oil can help your muscles stay strong, your hormones stay balanced, and your body age more gracefully, why leave it out of your kitchen? Losing muscle with age isn't just about weakness. It's about independence, balance, energy, and quality of life. But as you've seen in this video, it's not inevitable. With the right foods, small daily habits, and informed choices, it is possible to slow, stop, and even reverse muscle loss, no matter your age. Each of these 8 foods plays a unique role in supporting your body's ability to stay strong, active, and capable. Because in the end, aging well isn't about avoiding change. It's about adapting smartly to it. And here's something to think about. Seniors, if you could naturally boost your energy and muscle strength without medication, wouldn't you want to know how? If the answer is yes, then be sure to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Health channel, and tap the bell icon. We share science-backed tips every day to help you stay strong, sharp, and independent, one smart habit at a time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.